Today we want to talk about dividing by using a numbering. Divide by using a numbering. We want to talk about divide by using a numbering. So the first step that we want to do is, so we have given 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. So we draw a numbering. We draw a numbering. We draw a numbering. We start at 12. We are given 12 divided by 3. 12 divided by 3. So we start at 12. So we have 12 and then we count backwards. We count. So we start at 12 and then we count backwards until we get to 0. Until we get to 0. So we have 12. Next. 11. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. 0. So we have started by 12 divided by 3. So we start at 12 and then we count up to 0 until we reach at 0 by backwards. So we count steps. How many steps? 3 steps backwards. So we count 3 backwards. 3 steps backwards. We count in 3 backwards. So we have 12 divided by 3. We count 3 until we get to 0. So we count in 3. We count in 3. So we have 3. 1. We start 1, 2, 3. So we have there. 1, 2, 3. So that is another. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. From there we count how many steps. 1 step, 2, 3 steps, 4 steps. So the answer is 4. Another one is 12 divided by 6. Another one is 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6. So we draw a number line. 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 And then we have 12 divided by 12 divided by 6. So we start at 12 and then we count until we get backwards until we get to 0. So we have 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Next step. So we count in 6. We count in 6 backwards. We count in 6 backwards. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From there we count the number of steps. The number of 1, 2. So the answer is how many steps? 2 steps. Another one is 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3. So we draw a number line like that. We draw number line like that. So we start at 15 until we get to 0. So we have 15, 14, 14, 13, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And then we count threes on a number lines and 10 backwards on a number line in threes. We count in threes on a number line and then backwards, and then so we have 1, 2, 3. Another one, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. And then you get to 0. From there we count the number of steps. The number of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. The answer is 5. So from there I want somebody to come and do for us this one. So we have 10 divided by. I want somebody to come and do for us. 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2. Up shape. We have 10 divided by 2. We draw a number line. We first the 10, 9, 8, 7. You count 2 steps backwards. 1, 2, 3. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. Graph for half change. So we have drawn a number line. The first of all, we have drawn a number line. Then we have 10 divided by 2. So we have 10, we start at 10 and then you get until you get to 0. So we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And from there you count in 2 backwards. You count in 2. 1, 2. First step. 1, 2. 1, 2. That is it. Very correct. Very correct. Clap for half chair. Clap for half chair. Well done. Next, I want another one to come. Class Mohammed, come here and do for us. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. Using a number line. 6 divided by 2.
We have 6 divided by 2. You draw a number line. The answer is 3.
Clap for Hapshin. Well done. You can see how she has drawn the number line. She has drawn the number line. So we have 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2. So the first of all, she has drawn a number line. So she has dotted 6, and then until you start at 6, and then until you get to 0. Then from there you count in twos backwards. In twos backwards. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. So how many steps? 1, 2. So the answer is 3. So from there you do this exercise.